Welcome to our comprehensive breakdown of Sugar Defender, the top-rated blood sugar formula of 2024. In this video, we will explore in detail what makes Sugar Defender stand out among other blood sugar support supplements. Before we dive in, make sure to purchase it only from the official website linked in the description to ensure you receive the genuine product. Stay tuned until the end of the video to learn about the additional bonuses you can receive with your purchase. Now, let's delve into the science, benefits, and value of Sugar Defender. Science behind key ingredients. Let's start by examining the science behind the 8 key ingredients in Sugar Defender. First, Eleuthero is known for its ability to boost energy and reduce fatigue. Studies have shown that Eleuthero can enhance physical performance and increase stamina. Next, we have Coleus, a powerful fat-burning ingredient that supports weight loss by stimulating the breakdown of fat cells. Maca root is another energy-boosting ingredient that improves endurance and reduces stress. African mango is renowned for its fat-burning properties and ability to support healthy cholesterol levels. Guarana stimulates metabolism and increases energy levels, making it an effective component for weight management. Gymnema is a natural herb that supports heart health and helps regulate blood sugar levels by reducing sugar absorption in the intestines. Ginseng is known for its ability to improve overall health and maintain healthy blood glucose levels. Finally, chromium plays a crucial role in reducing obesity and lowering blood pressure by enhancing insulin sensitivity. We will delve into the specific benefits of each ingredient, supported by scientific research, to understand how they work together to support your health. Now, let's discuss the various package options available for this product. The 30-day supply is priced at $69 per bottle, perfect for those who want to try it for the first time. The 90-day supply offers more savings at $59 per bottle, ideal for those committed to a longer regimen. The best value is the 180-day supply, priced at $49 per bottle, providing the highest savings. Let's address some frequently asked questions. One common question is, how long does it take to see results? While individual results may vary, many users report noticeable improvements within a few weeks of consistent use. Another question is, what is the best way to take Sugar Defender? For optimal results, it's recommended to take 1 capsule daily with a meal. This ensures better absorption and effectiveness. We will also cover the security of your purchase. Sugar Defender offers a 60-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try the product risk-free. If you're not satisfied with your purchase, you can return it within 60 days for a full refund. This guarantee shows the confidence the creators have in their product and provides peace of mind for you as a consumer. Real customer testimonials. Scene B from North Carolina shares how Sugar Defender stabilized his blood sugar levels and increased his energy, allowing him to enjoy life to the fullest. Jack S. from Arizona switched from a more expensive blood sugar support product to Sugar Defender and is thrilled with the results at a fraction of the cost. Sabine G. from Texas saw her blood sugar drop significantly and lost weight without changing her diet within a month of using Sugar Defender. Robert B. from California experienced a steady decrease in his blood sugar levels over 3 months, outperforming other more expensive supplements he had tried. These testimonials highlight the effectiveness of Sugar Defender in managing blood sugar levels and boosting overall health. We will delve into the specific benefits each customer experienced and discuss how the supplement's natural ingredients contributed to these positive outcomes. As we wrap up, these in-depth insights into Sugar Defender highlight its effectiveness in managing blood sugar levels and boosting overall health. With its unique blend of natural ingredients, various package options, and thousands of satisfied customers, it's a reliable choice for your health needs. Let's discuss the additional bonuses you receive with your purchase. When you choose the 3-bottle or 6-bottle packages, you'll get free ebooks, Ultimate Tea Remedies, and Learn How to Manage Type 2 Diabetes. Ultimate Tea Remedies provides a collection of powerful herbal tea recipes designed to boost your health, while Learn How to Manage Type 2 Diabetes offers practical tips and strategies for managing diabetes effectively. These bonuses are valuable resources that complement your use of Sugar Defender and enhance your overall health journey. Thank you for watching, and make sure to purchase this product from the official website linked in the description to take advantage of these incredible offers. Stay healthy and take control of your blood sugar levels.